The FY8176 Digital Network Line Finder is an advanced TDR time domain reflectometer cable tester designed for network technicians and IT professionals. It accurately detects cable faults, lengths, and PO signals, making network installation and troubleshooting faster and more efficient. Key features: digital TDR technology, measures cable distance, locating breaks, shorts, and miswires precisely. Cable length detection, adjustable measurement range for RJ45, RJ11, and other twisted pair network cables. PO detection, identify power over Ethernet lines quickly for safe testing. Accurate line tracking, pinpoints exact cable faults and connections. Portable and durable, compact design with long-lasting battery, ideal for field work. Clear digital display, shows distance, cable length,